Hello my dear students, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Hope all are fine by the grace of Allah. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. Today also again I am with you to take your English class. I am Mariam Sultana, teacher of Milestone Preparatory KG School, Sector 7, Class 2. Hope you are waiting to join with me of our today's class. Now welcome to you all to our today's online class and get ready with your books, copies, pencils and erasers. Today again I am asking some questions from your previous lesson. Yes, today also I am going to ask what you have learned from your previous class. Now, can you remember what was the previous lesson? Yes, now let's see the previous topic. Now, look. Okay, again, Milestone Preparatory KG School. Already you know this one, and my subject also English. And I told my name. My name is Mariam Sultana, Sector 7. Now, my dear students, look our previous lesson. Which topic? Yes, the poor woodcutter. Again today I am showing the pictures. Look these pictures. Okay. The story is about a poor woodcutter. Okay. This is the poor woodcutter. Now I think already you have read the story at home, all of you. Am I right? Maybe you have read the story at home. Today also again I am telling the story in shortly. Now my dear students, look, this is a woodcutter. One day he went to the forest to cut wood, but his axe fell into the river. He cried, and the goddess of the river came to the woodcutter after hearing his cry and asked to the woodcutter, "What happened to you?" The woodcutter answered, My axe has fallen into the river. How will I cut wood? Then the goddess brought golden and silver eggs to taste the woodcutter. But the woodcutter was very honest and passed the test. The goddess was pleased seeing his honesty, then gave him the iron eggs and as gift the golden and silver eggs too. So the woodcutter became very happy. Now, what you have learned from this story? Yes, honesty is the best policy. Now I am asking the question answer from this topic because already you have learned the question answer and also what meaning from this story. Now today I am asking some questions. Look, question number 1. What happened to the woodcutter? What will be the answer? I know you have memorized. So what will be the answer, my lovely students? Can you say now? Yes. The answer is the woodcutter's eggs fell into the river. Okay. Number 2. Can you read by yourself? Okay, you read. Who came to the woodcutter after hearing his cry? So the answer is what? Yes, the answer is the goddess of the river came to the woodcutter after hearing his cry. Now, today I am going to discuss the bookwork from the poor woodcutter. But now I am showing some pictures again on the slide. Look. Here I'm showing here some pictures. Look, the first picture, can you see? Yes, what? Okay, what we can see? We can see the girl sits on chair. Okay, here is written seat. Then the next picture, we can see the boy looks his face in the mirror. Okay, here is given look. Then the next picture, what do? They read. Okay, here has written read. Now then that picture, what? The boy listens what I am telling now. Okay. Okay, now the next, this one, the boy stands. Here is written stand. Then this boy walks on the road. So it has written walk. And here the teacher talks. So here is written talk. And that picture, the last one, the man thinks. The man thinks. Now we can see here sit, look, read, listen, stand, walk, talk, and think some words. So students, every day we do many things like that. We study, we eat, run, read, jump, sleep. Okay, many things we do every day. So, do you know these words are called what? Can you guess? Yes, these are action words. These are action words. And the name is what? And the name is doing words. Now, can you think today which one I will discuss? Can you guess? Yes. Let's see the today's topic. So our today's topic, the poor woodcutter, item discussion on action words. Bookwork page 109 to 111 and CW number is 28. Okay, but at first you complete the page 109 and 110 exercise AB by the helping of the story. Now, number A has written tick if these sentences are true and cross if they are not true. So it has given some boxes. So in the boxes you will give tick mark or cross mark. Cross mark, if that one is wrong, you will give the cross mark. Okay, number 1, can you read? Yes, what is written? The number 1 has written the woodcutter was a poor man. Okay, in the story already I told which one, rich man or poor man? Yes, poor man. The woodcutter was a poor man. So what will be here? Tick mark. Now number 2. The eggs of the woodcutter fell into the river. This one, cross or tick? Yeah, this one also tick mark. Number 3. The goddess from the river came out with the silver eggs first. This one is wrong or right? Which eggs at first? The goddess of the river came out? The golden eggs. So, but here is written silver. So, what will be the here? It will be cross. Okay. Now, number 4. The woodcutter did not accept the golden eggs. This one is right. This one is a right or wrong? This one also right. Okay. Now the last one, number 5. The goddess rewarded him because he was very honest. Yes, the goddess was very honest. So this sentence is true. So it will be tick mark. Okay. So I am giving here tick mark. Now go to the next page. Okay. Page number 110, exercise B. You also take out page 110 and exercise B. Okay, now read here. What is written number B? Tick the right options to complete these sentences. Number 1. The woodcutter cried and cried because why? Now A has given his eggs fell into the river or his eggs was lost. Which one is correct? A. Yes, this one. Now number 2. The woodcutter accepted which eggs? The golden eggs or the iron eggs? Which one? Yes, the iron eggs. Now number 3. The goddess showed him the iron eggs first or the golden eggs first. Already you have learned which one. Yes, the golden eggs first. Now number 4. The goddess gave the woodcutter which one? The golden eggs and the silver eggs or the golden eggs? Which one? Both. This one, the golden eggs and the silver eggs. Now, do you know the definition of action words? Okay, already you have learned the definition of action words or doing words. But today also again I am showing this one. Look, the definition of action words. Here is written some words tell us what people or animals do. Such words are called action words or doing words. Example, the boy flies a kite. Then Jahin writes a letter. So here flies and writes are action words or doing words. Now again I am showing another pictures. Look here. What does the man doing here? What's man doing here? Yes, the man is painting. The man is painting. Here paint is the doing word and we are adding ing with this doing word. Then the next one is riding. Okay, here the man is riding. So ride is the doing word. Here we are adding ing, riding. Then the last picture, the boy is eating. The boy is eating. So here eat is the doing word and we are adding ing, eating. So by adding ing to the action word or doing word, we show that the action is going on now. Okay, the action is continuing. It means the work is continuing. So again I am telling the action, when the action will be continuing, we will add ing with the doing words. Now another example I am giving here. Now dear students, can you say me what I am doing now? Yes, I am teaching. Here teach is a doing word and with teach I am adding ing, teaching, because here the teaching is going on now. Okay, and what are you doing? Yes, you are listening. So with listen we are adding ing, listening. That means your study is going on now. Now, so can you get this point? When we will add ing, when the work is going on now, when the action is going on, that time we will add ing with the doing words. Okay, so every time we are doing many things. So the work is continuing, that time we will add ing with the doing word. Okay, lovely students. Maybe are you feeling bored? Okay, now let's enjoy a video on action words.
E-Learning Studio.
Action words. Sunday is my holiday. It is the best day of the week. It is my mama and papa's holiday too. On Sunday, we have so much fun together. We spent the day playing outside in the garden, jumping, oh, so high, trying to catch butterflies, running with our dog Fluffy, woof, woof, sitting on the swing, whee, laughing as we play together. What fun! When it rains and we cannot play in the garden, Mama puts on some music and we start dancing. When we get tired, Papa takes out my painting book and I start painting. Green, yellow, pink, red, brown. So many colors. Funny faces, clowns, trees in a garden. So many things to paint. Then I help Mama and Papa get dinner ready. I can make a good fruit salad. We love eating together before sleeping. I like writing in my diary. I write about all the fun we had during the day. Mama and Papa like reading to me before I go to sleep. They read me a story from my favorite storybook. Look, here I am wishing you good night. Good night.
Now, I hope after watching the video, you have got the clear concept about action words and also you have enjoyed the video. Now, again take out your book, page 110, exercise A. Look, here has written add ing to the action words. Number 1 has written stand. So what you will do? You will add ing. Okay, so it will be standing. It will be standing. Okay, look, they are standing and they are also speaking here. Okay, so here number 2 has given speak. So you add ing with speak. So it will be speaking. Now number 3. Look, the baby is crying. Yeah, so what will be here? You add ing. It will be crying. Okay, number 4. Look, number 4. The girl is singing. So here is given sing. So you add ing with singing. Number 5. Fly. Look, here the bird is flying in the sky. So you add ing with fly. Flying. Number 6. Walk. Walking. Okay. Now go to the next page. Look, page number 110 and 111. Exercise B. Answer the questions by adding ing to the action words. Number 1. What is Mina doing? Look this picture. This is Mina. And she is doing what? In the bracket has written laugh. So you write she is laughing because the action is going on now. So she is laughing. Number 2. What is Paul doing? Look, Paul. What is Paul doing? Can you say? Yes. In the bracket has written eat. So what will be the correct answer? He is eating. Now number 3. Okay, eating. Now number 3. What is Sohail doing? Look this picture. Can you say what is Sohail doing? Yes, he is sleeping. In the bracket has given sleep. So it will be sleeping. Now number 4. What is Shumi doing? Look, Shumi is doing what? Reading. So here is given read. You add ing with read. She is reading. Now number 5. What is Oppo doing? Look, Oppo. Can you say me what is Oppo doing now? Yes, Oppo is doing now. What? It is in the bracket is written draw. So what will be here? Drawing. You add ing with draw. So drawing. Now number 6. What is Anwar doing? Look, Anwar is doing what? In the bracket is given water. And now he is watering a plant. So you add ing with water. Watering. Now my dear students, again I am telling when we will add ing with the doing words when the action is going on or continuing, the work is continuing. That time we will add ing with the doing word. Okay. Now, what you have learned from our today's class? I am asking some questions from today's class and I will get what you have learned. Okay. Here is written add ing with the action verbs. So number 1, sleep and watch. What you will add ing? It is very easy. So sleeping and watching. Now last one, take the right option. The goddess showed him the iron eggs first or the golden eggs first. Which one? Which one? Already you have read the story. So what would be the correct answer? Yes, the golden eggs first. Now my dear students, you have completed the book work. Okay, so for that I am giving the homework from this story. Today your homework number 10 and do the book work of page 111 exercise C. Okay, so from which story? The Poor Woodcutter. Okay. Now today you have completed your book work from the chapter. Which chapter? The Poor Woodcutter. So I hope you have understood about the book work and you will do the book work at home and you will practice. And I have given the homework and this homework you will do in your book and you will send me. Now you will practice again. I am telling the book work is very important for your exam. So you will practice the book work at home again and again. Now I am telling here bye bye.